ISTQB has defined 3 levels of syllabi: Foundation, which is the target of this course; Advanced, which are Test Manager, Test Analyst, and Technical Test Analyst; Expert, improving the testing processes, test management, test automation, engineering, security testing, and so on. There's a new extension for the foundation level called Agile Tester. For those who are testing software in Agile environment, Agile testing is not in the scope of this course. It's a separate curriculum and a separate exam, and you don't need to know it to enter the ISTQB Foundation Level exam. Saying that, the ISTQB Foundation Level certification is a prerequisite for the ISTQB Agile Tester exam and the ISTQB Advanced Certificate exam. Syllabi are written by testing experts and continuously reviewed, maintained, and improved. The foundation level syllabus is aimed at people with varying levels of experience in testing, including persons with no experience at all. It has been updated in 2010. This course will always be based upon the latest syllabus. Syllabi are publicly available for download at this link. The ISTQB Foundation curriculum consists of 6 chapters or sections. Section 1, Fundamentals of Testing, which gives you an overview of the testing activity. Section 2, Testing throughout the software lifecycle, which talks about testing under different software development model and also talks about different testing levels and types. Section 3, Static Techniques, which talks about testing techniques that doesn't require running the software. Yeah, they exist. Section 4, Test Design Techniques. This is the meat of the foundation level, where you will learn many techniques that will help you design your testing. Section 5, Test Management. How to manage your testing efforts. Even though we are talking about the foundation level, but it's normal that you could be the only tester in your project or even your company. And then you will sure need to know how to manage your testing efforts. Last section, Section 6, Tool Support for Testing. We will talk about different kinds of software tools that are used for testing. Topics of the ISTQB Foundation level are classified according to its knowledge levels, and there are 4 of them. K1, remember, where you need to recognize a term or a concept. K2, understand, where you will need to be able to explain a concept. K3, apply, where you will need to select correct application of concept or technique. K4, analyze, where you can distinguish between facts and interfaces for deeper understanding. This doesn't mean that K1 level is very easy nor K4 level is very difficult. The K level identifies the level of understanding being tested, not the difficulty of the topic.